Do you forget words when speaking English? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many people face this problem. But today, I have good news for you. I'm going to share 10 simple tips that will help you remember words and speak English more confidently. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Think in English. Don't translate from your native language to English. Thinking in your own language slows you down. Start with simple sentences. For example, if you see the sun, say in your mind, the sun is bright. Practice this every day and your brain will get faster. Tip number 2. Use simple words. If you forget a difficult word, don't stop speaking. Use an easier word instead. For example, if you forget delicious, say very tasty. If you forget huge, say very big. This will help you keep talking confidently. Tip number 3. Speak every day. The best way to remember words is to use them. Talk to a friend, speak to yourself, or record your voice. If you're alone, stand in front of a mirror and speak for 2 minutes about your day. The more you speak, the easier it becomes to recall words. Tip number 4. Learn words in sentences. Don't just memorize a word, learn how to use it in a sentence. For example, instead of just learning beautiful, say, "The sky is beautiful today." Remembering full sentences makes speaking much easier. Tip number 5. Use flashcards. Write the English word on one side of a card and its meaning or a picture on the other. Spend 5 minutes every day reviewing them. This small habit will help you learn new words faster and remember them longer. Tip number 6. Watch and listen in English. Listening every day helps your brain remember words faster. Watch English videos with subtitles or listen to podcasts and songs. Hearing words repeatedly makes it easier to use them when speaking. Tip number 7. Repeat and use new words. When you learn a new word, don't just read it once. Say it out loud 5 times. Use it in different sentences. For example, if you learn exciting, say, "This movie is exciting," "My day was exciting," or "Learning English is exciting." Repetition helps your brain remember words permanently. Tip number 8. Stay calm. If you forget a word, don't panic. Take a deep breath and explain it another way. For example, if you forget umbrella, say, "It's something we use when it rains." Remember, speaking English is about communicating, not being perfect. Tip number 9. Write more. Writing helps reinforce vocabulary. Keep a small notebook and write one sentence every day. Write about your day, your feelings, or your plans. Writing makes it easier to recall words while speaking. Tip number 10. Connect words with images. Your brain remembers pictures better than words. Look at an object and say its name in English. If you see an apple, say apple. If you see a chair, say chair. This helps your brain learn and remember words faster. Try these 10 tips every day and you will see your English improve quickly. Now I want to ask you, do you forget words when speaking English? Comment below and let me know. Also, tell me which tip is your favorite. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video.